step, we're gonna create map for our contact page. So first, let's create one simple div for our middle part with div start and div end tag. Inside of this div, we're gonna have our map, and also we're gonna have our question form. So now, for our map part, we will create one iframe where we're gonna load Google Map with our location. So how we can do that? Actually, this is very simple. We just need to find some website. I already have address of one website where you can generate your Google Map. So this is the one that we'll use, and here it is. On this website, you can generate map for your website. You just need to enter address and click Activate Map, and code will be created for your website. I will use this default one that is some address in Dublin. So let's click Activate Map. This is code, and this is code, as I said, for some address in Dublin. You just need to click on this code and you can copy it. And now just paste that code for our map section. And here it is. Let's align our code a little bit. So let's place our iframe in a new line. Let's find end of our iframe. Here it is. Let's place this also in new line. Let's place the end of the div in new line, and let's remove our new line from here. Okay. So now this is our iframe, and these are HTML attributes for our iframe. Okay, so we have width, height, src with source of a map. We have frame border. Also we have scrolling, margin height, margin width, and also we have this link that will allow us to use various views on our map. Okay, so these are attributes for our iframe. So let's save this document. Let's go back in our web browser. When we refresh our page, here it is. This is our Google Map with our location in Dublin. So basically we have base for our contact map.